Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you ready to jump in and learn another letter of the Arabic alphabet? It's going to be a fun one, so let's get right to it.
Okay, to kick things off, how about a little game? We're going to play Sound Mystery. I'll show you two pictures, and all you have to do is figure out the one sound their Arabic names share. Think you're up for it? So, what's the connection? What is the one single sound that links these two totally different animals? You gotta listen really carefully.
Okay, check this out. On one side, we've got a mouse, which in Arabic is fa'ar, and on the other, an elephant, which is feel. Let me say that again. Fa'ar, feel. Are you hearing it? That sound right at the very beginning of both words?
Did you get it? It's that f sound. If that's what you were thinking, you nailed it. And that is exactly the sound we're going to master today.
So, where does that f sound come from? Well, it's time to meet the star of today's show, the Arabic letter fa. And here it is. This is fa. See its shape? It's kind of like a little loop or a circle with one single dot sitting right on top. Super easy to spot. And it makes that classic fit sound, just like in friend or fantastic. Okay, but here's where it gets really cool. This letter, fa, actually has a few different moods or sounds depending on these tiny little marks that go with it. Let's check out its whole family of sounds. So if you see a little dash on top, it says fa. Go on, try it with me. Fa. Nice. Now, if you see this little curly thing on top, it becomes foo. Your turn. Foo. Perfect. And what if that little dash moves to the bottom? Well, that makes the sound fee. Let's try it. Fee. Awesome. See? Fa, foo, fee. You've already got them down. All right, you know the letter. You know the sounds. Now for the best part. Let's go see this letter out in the wild. We're going to find it in some real words.
Hey, look who's back. It's our mouse from the mystery game, remember? The word in Arabic is far. You can hear that fa sound loud and clear, right at the start, and there's our letter.
And here's the elephant, feel. But listen to this one, feel. It's using that fee sound we just talked about. And you can see why, right? That little vowel mark is tucked right underneath the letter.
A strawberry. Who doesn't love strawberries? In Arabic, we call it faraola. Hear that? It kicks right off with that strong fa sound, faraola.
Okay, let's do one more for practice. This is an axe, or fas. And there it is again, that clear fa sound right up front. See? You're totally getting the hang of this.
All right, I think you're ready for a promotion. You are now officially a letter detective. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to spot the letter fa in the next few words. You ready for the challenge?
Okay, detective, here's your first case. Take a close look at the Arabic word for key.
The word is mifta. Where is our little circle with the dot? Take a second to look. Got it? There it is. Smack dab in the middle of the word. Pretty cool how it links up with the other letters, right? Great job on that one. Let's keep it rolling. Next up, the word for envelope. Where's the fey hiding in this one?
This word is darf. Scan the whole thing. Did you find it? Yep, this time it's just hanging out right at the end. So this just proves that fa can pop up anywhere, beginning, middle, or end.
Seriously, you are becoming a pro at this. Okay, one final challenge for you. Can you find the fa in the word for this very tall, spotty animal? It's a giraffe, or zarafa. Okay, I'll give you a moment to scan the word, find that fa, and you got it. It's right back in the middle again, zarafa. Superb spotting.
And would you look at that? Just like that, you've completely mastered the letter fa. That's awesome. Let's just quickly go over everything you locked in today.
So, today you learned its shape, that easy-to-remember circle with one dot on top. You locked in its three main sounds, fa, foo, and fee. And, the best part, you proved you can spot it anywhere in a real word. That's a huge win.
You absolutely crushed it today. Honestly, every single letter you learn is a massive step forward on your journey to reading Arabic. You're doing so well. Keep up the amazing work, and I can't wait to see you for the next one.